Hello, and welcome to training on how to make your communities pages live within IQ Office and IQ Web. To begin, as an Office administrator, you must set up your communities and builders in your IQ Office. You cannot set up communities and builders if you are not an Office administrator. To do this, you will go to the Listings tab and fill out the information underneath Communities. Once you have added communities and added information on the communities landing page, you can then go to your website and link your communities page to your main menu. To do this, log into your IQ web editor. You will know you are in editing mode by seeing the black bar at the top of the screen. From here, you can go to the Menus button and then select the menu that you wish to edit. Once you are in the Site Edit menu, you can select the community pages by going to the IQ pages on the right-hand side of the screen and then selecting from the drop-down. The Communities page will show underneath the other header. Make sure to name the title of the menu item and choose if you would like it to be a sub-menu item or a top menu item. If you leave it as a top menu item, it will show as a top menu item here. To erase or change the location, simply hit the trash can next to the menu item and it will remove it. Once you have made your selection and it is located where you want it to be, click Save on the lower right hand corner. It will then show underneath a main top menu item or as a sub menu item depending on where you've chosen to have it located. When you click, it will open and show the photo as well as the information about the communities that you've created. The featured team member on the right-hand side will rotate through the team members that are associated with each community. All communities will rotate through the featured community slot on the right-hand side. This has been training on how to link the communities pages to your main IQ Office website. We are in the business of helping you to work smarter, and we hope you make it a great day.